Hi everyone, I'm Eva.
I'm Jackie.
Welcome to
our
Amazing Salad Kitchen. Today we're going to share with you how to make 3 most popular types of eggs, plus guacamole. Why guacamole? Let's take a look. Because it's perfect with egg to make the breakfast toast. Let's start it. Wow, the avocado is so pretty. And then we'll put salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, jalapeno, cilantro, sunflower seeds, and lemon juice. Yummy. Then we smash it. Now it's done. It's ready. So let's take a look of the recipe. Now we will start with the 6-minute soft egg. We put some salt into boiling water. And then gently put eggs in the water. And then we wait for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we put eggs into ice water. So now we can serve with guacamole, and the alfalfa. We put our soft egg on top. Then, of course, black pepper. And we will shed some aged cheddar cheese. Then we will put some dried goji berries. We call this bird nest. Ooh, looks nice, eh? Now the second one is poached egg. We boil the fresh egg in the morning and then we filter out the very liquid part. Then we boil water until you see the little bubble. Then we put white vinegar into it and keep stirring it. Now we put the egg into it and set alarm to 3 minutes. And then wait. Ta-da! It's done! Now we need to put it into the ice water immediately. Now it's time to make our poached egg toast with guacamole. And then sliced tomato, poached egg, some honey on top, and then the chopped pistachio. Now it's time to enjoy it. The last one we want to share is the Japanese soya marinated egg. It's my favorite, oh my gosh. It's so yummy. Now we need to do the sauce. So we put soya sauce, water, red wine, garlic, honey. Then we need to mix it well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The tip is we need to filter out the garlic. And we put the shelled egg into a bag. Pour the soya sauce into it. We need to squeeze all the air from the bag. And then all the eggs has to be covered by the sauce. Then we put into the fridge for 12 hours or just overnight. We use thread to cut egg instead of knife. It's very good with noodles. It's so delicious. Later we will make a video to share with you how to make the cold soba noodles or the cold noodles with the sauce. The most important thing is the sauce. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more coming recipes. And see you next week.